Hi, my name is Balde. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Let's see how to enable Apple sign-in Flutter through Xcode setup. So I have my Flutter application running here in VS Code editor, as you can see here. And I have this iPhone 17 Pro simulator. When I go here and I want to log in through this continue with Apple, you can see that Apple sign-in failed. So I have this error because I haven't enabled Apple sign-in through this Xcode yet. So to go through that, we come back here in your project, find this folder iOS and double click on it, open in Xcode. So here, as you can see, runner, we are here in runner and general is selected. We come here, sign in and capabilities. From here, you can see this plus sign and capability. So we click on this one. We look for sign in with Apple. This is what we are looking for, sign in with Apple. So we double click on this one. As you can see right now it is selected, but you have to double click on it very fast. So now it is added here. Sign in with Apple is added. Let me check first here. You should see something like this one added. So we come back to the project in VS Code. We have to stop and restart. Let's do that. So I stop it from here. Let's relaunch the project from here. The application is about to launch here. And let's go back and see if what we have done is working. So continue with Apple. Sign in to your Apple account. So we go to settings. And from here you have those options. For example, don't you have an Apple account? You can press on this one, but don't forget we are using this simulator. For example, if you want to create an account simulator, you will probably get this error here, could not create Apple account. This iPhone simulator has been used to create too many new Apple accounts. So please contact Apple support to request another Apple account to use with this iPhone. So this is not the only option here. You can come back here and, as you can see, use another Apple device. So bring another compatible Apple device nearby to sign in quickly and easily. For example, this is the second option, or sign in manually. Enter an email address or phone number and password, then verify your identity. For example, if you come here you can use your own email address. So this is an example what I'm doing right now. And for example, here you can continue. This is the way how you can enable Apple sign-in Flutter through Xcode. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and give a comment down below if you have some difficulties. Also, see you next time. Bye bye.